Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to reset forgotten password Domino's pizza app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to reset forgotten password Domino's pizza app. We'll start by opening up your Domino's app. Once you open up your Domino's app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look all on the bottom where it says sign in. Make sure to tap on that. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look like to the middle of your screen where it says sign in. But bottom of that, you're going to see where it says reset password. Make sure to tap where it says reset password. Right there. Then they're going to ask you to put your email. Make sure you put the corresponding email that goes with your account, or otherwise it won't work. And once you're done putting your email, make sure you tap where it says request password change. Make sure you tap on that. And they're gonna say forgotten password has sent to you. Follow your instruction and change your password. And that's how you reset forgotten password Domino's Pizza app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.